Save Mr. Beast from stranded in a desert, or save this puppy from getting lost in the forest. Be able to control lightning, or get this mysterious power revealed at the end of the video. Mr. Beast gives you his favorite chocolate worth $1,000, but you have to like and subscribe or reject the offer. Get your favorite tech product by just comment what the name of it or stuck with your old one. Have lifetime supply of food or have lifetime supply of drinks. Only 11% of you choose this mysterious power, which is have powers to control the whole climate. Do you like it?